Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to work with rhinestones in Cricut Design Space to make sure that they're cutting at the right size. So this is a question we get every single day in our call center, so I figured a quick little video might help you out with that. So if you're going to test something out, if you haven't worked with rhinestones before, first thing you need to do is you need to go to the rhinestoneworld.com website. Once you're on our website, then you're just going to search baseball rhinestone decal, and you'll see this one pull up. It's a free rhinestone baseball design for you to test out. Okay, so just add that to your cart, check out, it's completely free. Now the big thing is once you download this SVG file, you're going to look over here and you're going to see to import the SVG at 3.67 inches tall, 7.6 inches wide. So that gives you an idea, but I'm going to show you a quick little cheat within Design Space to make sure that the stones are sized perfectly for you. So now I'm over here in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to come over and upload, and I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to browse, and I have this saved right here in my downloads folder. So let's just go ahead and click on that and click open. And it's going to bring my file in, name it whatever you want, and hit save. Now we have it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to insert image, and it's going to bring this thing in huge. Okay, so when I click on this, it's 204 inches wide. So let's just say I forgot what the exact measurements were. I don't want to go back to the website. So I'm just going to go to, let's say it was somewhere around 7 inches wide. So I'm going to go 7. And there we go. Now the hard thing is you need to make sure that every one of these circles are sized right around 0.135 inches. And everybody has a hard time figuring out how to do that. So I'm going to show you a quick little cheat here in Design Space to figure that out, because you can't just break this apart and see them. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to ungroup it first. Top right corner right here, hit ungroup. Now both of these are their own. Okay, now I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to come to the bottom right corner and click on contour. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring up basically every object in there. I'm going to hide all contours, and it's going to show just the box. Click on the circle right underneath it, and you see the circle pop up. Close out the box. And look, I'm at 0.124 inches. So let's go ahead and show all contours. And now I know that I need to make both of these. Make sure you make both of them a little bit larger. So let's go to maybe this size. Let's do that exact same thing. Contour, hide all contours, click on the circle, click on the box, and I'm at 0.138 inches. Again, still not solving my problem. So don't just go adjust that, because it's not going to adjust all the other circles. So I hit Control-Z a couple times to bring it back. So basically I was at 0.138, so I need to go a little bit smaller here. Let's go maybe to there. Do the same thing, contour, hide all contours, click on my circle, get rid of my box, 0.136 inches, show all contours. And let's go a tiny bit smaller. Let's try this right here. Contour, hide all contours, circle, box, 0.135, that's money. All right, so show all contours again, click off of this, and now I am ready to send this to my Cricut Maker or my Cricut Joy or Cricut Explorer Air, and ready to cut at perfect rhinestone sizing. So I know a lot of you have been running into issues as far as the circle size is not cutting what you want. So the magic size you're looking for is 0.135 inches. Remember, you're not going to have to do this every time. Just when you bring in the file, get it sized perfect, and we're going to give you a little cheat sheet. So had you remembered the measurements, it would have been super close, and you might have had to make it a tiny bit bigger or a tiny bit smaller. I went worst case scenario here, just showing you if you had to adjust it multiple times to get that perfect size. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you want more videos with the Cricut Design Space and rhinestones, please let me know, comment below, smash that like button if you like that video. Make sure to follow us, subscribe right here on YouTube so you can get many more awesome videos like this one right here. And remember, we do 2 live trainings every single week to help your business. Thanks for watching, crew. We'll see you soon. Make sure to subscribe. Later.